Hi, I'm Ken Kaplan, president of K2 Commercial Finance. This short video is going to cover step number 4 of the 6 essential steps for commercial mortgage success. It's about targeting the best lender for your commercial mortgage needs. Before targeting lenders, you should have already completed the prior 3 steps, which are identifying your needs, preparing for a fast transaction by having all of your documents up to date and ready to go, and identifying the most appropriate lending program for your specific needs and circumstance. Now comes the important step of contacting not just any lender, but the right lender. Finding the right lender and later negotiating the best transaction will save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. This is a huge component of your long-term success. I hope you'll stick with me for the next few minutes because again and again, I come across borrowers who are strung along for weeks before ultimately having their loan request denied. That always costs time, almost always costs money, tens of thousands of dollars over the term of the loan. Sometimes the cost is blowing up the entire deal. The key to finding the best financing for your specific situation is targeting the right lender for your transaction. If your transaction makes sense, there are many lenders who will work creatively with you to get it funded. Never forget that lenders want to make loans. As a qualified borrower with a sound loan requirement, you have more leverage than you might imagine. I like to compare the lending market to a light bulb. It used to be easy. Go to your local bank, get a loan. The bank is our light bulb, easy to find, it glows, and work with. Now it's like somebody took the light bulb, smashed it on the floor into 1,000 pieces. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of specialty commercial real estate lenders. Each lender has a different criteria for the transactions that they're going to be interested in funding. So matching your specific transaction with the most appropriate lender is an important early step to getting the transaction funded. When choosing a lender, make sure you're working with an institution that is willing and able to make the loan you need. If you're working on your own, you might start out by phoning your local bank, and I also especially like credit unions, and asking to speak with a commercial mortgage officer. Explain to them the specifics of your loan transaction and ask if the transaction meets their lending profile. Key questions that you might ask are, do you finance my type of property? Is my credit within your loan parameters? Is my transaction an appropriate size for your institution? What type of loan programs are available? Are you experienced with SBA loans or whatever the loan program you're after might be? How quickly can you close a loan? How does your due diligence and underwriting process work? And if you have a specific loan requirement, make it known from the start. For instance, many borrowers, particularly small commercial property borrowers, business owners, are not able to document high income. So these borrowers need what's called a no income verification loan. But not every lender offers this type of program. Other borrowers might have low credit scores or require cash out from a transaction or need very short-term financing or have special use properties or properties with negative cash flow or have a big rush timing requirement or any other requirement that's going to place them outside of a given lender's loan parameters. Regardless of how strong you think your loan request is, never waste time trying to get a lender to fund a transaction that's outside their box. Even if your loan, Even if your loan officer tells you that they can get it done, these loans rarely ever get done. Months can be wasted on a loan that never closes. So if you learn that the institution you've contacted is not interested in working with you, don't sweat it. Always ask for specific reasons why your loan was turned down so you can determine how to address that shortcoming as you move forward. Also ask the lender to suggest another resource that might be more appropriate for your situation. Get names, introductions, numbers, whatever you can to make it a referral rather than just a cold call. And Of course, you do want the fastest, most cost-efficient way to secure a loan, and that's where my company can come in. It's our job to help you get the loan and skip the hassle. We can likely save you time, money, and frustration while securing you the best loan that you can qualify for. We only get paid when your loan closes, so you know that we're always going to be doing our best on your behalf. And if you'd like to bring our decades, literally, of commercial mortgage expertise onto your team with no upfront costs, all you need to do is call me. The company is K2 Commercial Finance. My name is Kent Kaplan. I'm the owner. I handle every transaction that runs through this company. And right now, I'm still handling every file that we process. My number is 215-230-1885. We can't fund a loan that we don't know about. So if you would like us to help you, please give us a call. I would love to be your next lender, and I need you to call me so we can see if we can't take care of your requirements and move forward together. Thank you very much for your time. I hope this has been informative.